Do you see any movement?
Uh-huh.
I mean the butterfly?
It put its leg up and back down. Maybe it needs to be warmed up.
Taken back for a healing. Look, Colin, it's like
I don't know. Well, it moved,
still moving a
but
little bit.
I think it's pretty not in a good state. It lifted its hand.
Nice.
I'll take it back. And then we'll feed it and then we'll let it.
Maybe we could feed it to Shaki.
Yeah.
Put in Shaky's beard.
Breakfast of champions. Hey, Coco.
Add it to one of your threads.
Yeah. Watch it. Got it.
She flies.
Maybe it's just cold. You want me to get it, but you don't.
You know, the truth is that this is the second butterfly. And
See if it will move again.
maybe it just fell out of the tree.
I have
I'll
a
put it
random
back
hand.
with the other one.
My random hand.
Oh, look.
Oh, look at
Whoa.
that. Yeah, that is
it's
a
not
very much
flying
alive
away.
butterfly. Yeah, I think they just get so cold and they maybe fall out.
Yeah.
Put it with its friend.
And maybe they like glide so they don't land as far.
Uh-huh.
Random hand.
Vanessa is like the person on the beach with the starfish. She's going to rescue all the butterflies. It made a difference to that butterfly.